What's up YouTube? Got a new pickup I want to share with you guys today. As you can see, I got a pair of Pumas. This model is called the Style Riders and I got them in the frosted ivory colorway. I was pretty much on the hunt for a pair of neutral colored Pumas, but I also wanted to try something a little new and different. If you've been following my channel, you know I love my share of low top trainers. I pretty much get all different brands, so these were no exception. When I saw a picture of these on the Puma website, I just couldn't help but be intrigued. It looked like a very interesting model that I've never seen before, and the style is right up my alley. So now that I have them in hand, I'll just do a quick review, talk about materials, sizing and fit, do an on-feet, and I'll give my overall thoughts at the end. So that being said, let's get into it. So here's a quick overview of the shoe. Starting with the upper, you can see that it's comprised of some combination of textile material and suede. The textile material has a grid-like pattern to it. I don't know if you can see it through the exposure. The textile material is pretty much here through the mid-paneling and the toe box. And then you also have these hits of suede also in the toe box, as well as the eye stays and the heel. In first impression with this suede, it's actually pretty decent quality to the touch. The formstrip logo is a nice white leather material. On the lateral side of the shoe, you have the 020 patch on the heel right here. I think this is paying homage to the original model, the Rider 020 that released in 2020 or something like that. That's pretty much the model that this model was inspired off of. Quick look at the rear. You have the suede again. You have the Puma logo right there. And then you also have this gel cushioning system right here to provide some extra reinforcement and cushioning. Here's a bird's eye view of the top of the shoe. Comes with some cream flat laces. The tongue is made of nylon. Here on the tongue you got the Puma branding stitched in this nice bronze / rose gold colorway. And the tongue is designed in this, and you can see it has a deconstructed design that pretty much shows off the foam here. So as we move down to the midsole of the shoe, I feel like this is the more unique feature of the shoe. You can see this wavy part of the shoe. It feels like a soft synthetic cushiony type of material, and it looks like it just acts as a transition, an aesthetic transition, between the upper and the midsole. I'm not sure if it adds to the cushioning and the comfort of the shoe per se, but I think it is a unique aesthetic feature. To be honest, I don't think I have any other shoe that has anything like it. The actual midsole cushioning itself integrates what they call a rider foam, which is one of Puma's signature foams. And then as we transition to the outsole of the shoe, you're greeted with a nice gum bottom, Puma logo right in the dead center, and then a very prominent traction pattern. You have that waffle pattern, several little nubs. You know this is going to give you some pretty decent traction. Not sure what that means, but if anyone can translate that, let me know in the comments. So in terms of packaging, you got the green Puma box. Each shoe was individually wrapped in one of these. And the shoes pleasantly came with another pair of laces, which is always nice. It came with the cream laces default on the shoe, but it also came with an extra pair of gum laces to match the outsole. In terms of sizing and fit, I pretty much recommend true to size. After trying these on, it pretty much worked out for me. I wear a 9.5 in pretty much all of my Puma sneakers. I went 9.5 in these and it worked out great. So true to size is my personal recommendation. In terms of comfort, I can't say that I have anything crazy to rave about, but they really just get the job done for a basic casual shoe. Some components that stick out to me though is one, the midsole is a little thick, so you do feel like you get a little extra height off the ground. And two, the outsole traction pattern is pretty prominent. So you really do feel a good grip on the ground and you will not feel any sense of slippage at all. Aside from that, I just wore these a few times for casual walking and it worked out great. So if you're into that kind of thing, consider these shoes right here. Otherwise, if you do want a shoe with a little more ground feel, then these might not be for you. So I've always been low-key into Puma lifestyle pieces for a pretty long time now. If you haven't seen it, I made a Puma lookbook video some time ago featuring some other lifestyle pieces. So if you're into that kind of thing, check that video out after you finish this one. But yeah, I feel like Puma as a brand is very underrated and slept on sometimes. Puma sneakers are very affordable, they're generally pretty comfortable, the quality is pretty decent for what you get, and I'm just an overall fan. But let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on Puma as a sports brand in general? Do you like any of their pieces? Sound off in the comments below. And if you made it this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot. And consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, check out my other Puma related videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.